Juicy ain't seen it.
Why it look like it's...
Is it dead? Is it bleeding?
They just played that.
Fucking possum. See, he stayed at grandpa's with that wooden fence. You could let her out in the backyard and just.
Yeah. Yeah, just sitting there. My sister rub it up.
Did that burn go away?
Yeah, no, the whole thing was done. See the blister right there?
Oh, you ain't. I thought there was this part.
Hell no, I glad that motherfucker trying to.
Oh.
That shit was like. That shit was stuck to my.
I don't even know why I'm recording juicy shit.
Shit. Hey, this is the last shit I'm recording.
Yeah, that possum over there. I'm gonna like leave me the fuck alone, man. Splat. Oh.
Is he fucked up?
Is he? That's what I want to know. You know they attack. That's what they do.
Nah, I cleaned this. Juicy, come here. She's smelling. I don't want her going in this thing.
Yeah. Juicy, come on.
Look at